Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to know your Cash App is verified or not. So first of all, you need to open your Cash App application on your phone. Now simply click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now inside your profile icon, you just have to simply look for the option of personal information. When you are inside your personal information or edit profile, you are going to see the verification badge. Now, if your Cash App is still asking you for the things like add your full legal name, date of birth, or the last four digits of SSN or your photo ID upload, then the account is not fully verified yet. A fully verified account usually stops showing you these types of identity requests because the verification process has already been approved. So in Cash App, you can try sending a larger amount of money and then you can check whether the app shows you the transfer limits. The unverified accounts usually hit the restrictions quickly, and Cash App displays the identity verification prompts before allowing bigger transactions. Once verification is completed, higher sending and the receiving limits are unlocked automatically. So if larger payments work normally without any kind of warning messages, it means that your account is most likely verified already. So that's how you can find it. Thank you.